Expert kitchen remodeling services at Hill Air Force Base. EagleRidge is your trusted expert for kitchen remodeling and renovation at Hill Air Force Base, Utah, 84056. Whether you're looking for a modern upgrade or a complete transformation, our team ensures superior craftsmanship, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. Our process begins with a detailed consultation to understand your needs, followed by meticulous planning and execution. We manage every phase, from design and layout to installation, focusing on quality, efficiency, and minimal disruptions to your daily life. Our kitchen remodeling services include complete kitchen renovations, transform outdated kitchens into modern, functional spaces, custom kitchen design and build, tailored layouts that enhance space and efficiency, cabinetry and storage solutions, custom cabinets, pantry installations, and refacing, countertop installation, granite, quartz, marble, and butcher block options, flooring upgrades, tile, hardwood, and vinyl flooring solutions, backsplash and wall finishes, beautiful tile, stone, and accent wall installations, lighting and electrical work, smart lighting, under-cabinet lights, and electrical upgrades, plumbing and fixtures, sink, faucet, and garbage disposal installations, appliance installation, built-in appliances, ovens, and dishwashers, ventilation and structural modifications, open concept designs, vent hoods, and exhaust fans. Upgrading your kitchen isn't just about style, it's about increasing property value, energy efficiency, and functionality. Our licensed and insured contractors at EagleRidge deliver high-quality results while ensuring your kitchen meets modern standards and your personal preferences. Ready to create your dream kitchen? Call 801-784-14517 or visit EagleRidgePros.com today to schedule your free estimate.